From the Registry of Invoices, select an invoice to edit its details. You can only edit the recipient details and invoice items of an invoice if it has not already been paid. You can add or edit invoice items, and like quote items, Gemma currently supports invoices with up to 5 invoice items. The familiar icons at the top right corner of the Invoice Edit panel are used for maximizing the panel size, monitoring email communication, assigning tags, writing notes, starting a conversation about this invoice, printing a PDF, accessing help material, and deleting the invoice. After you're satisfied with the amount and details of your invoice, you can send it directly to the contact person and the signatory of the project revision. In the Send dialog, you can add known contact persons of the client as email recipients. You can also add extra recipient email addresses. To remove an email address from the list of recipients, simply click on the selected email address. All recipients will receive an email with the payment link and a PDF printout of the invoice. The Pay Online link of the invoice will direct your client to a secure online payment page, where they can pay your invoice by credit card or other recognized payment options.